Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on blog comments on Wix. Let's get started. So right now, I'm on the Wix All Sites, and then in here, I can see all the websites that I have. So just choose the website that you have, which is a blog, and click on Select and Edit Site. Then once you have done that, it will actually redirect you to the dashboard of the specific website that you have created. Now from in there, you should be able to see the option for blog right here. So click on blog, and then from in there, you can see the overview. So click on overview, click on more actions, click on blog settings. Then from in there, you can see this comment and rating. So if in order to turn this on, just click on this toggle button. And then you can also choose if you want everyone to leave comment or just members only. So for this one, let's just choose everyone. And then once you have done that, just click on save. Then once you have saved that, it will actually save your settings and the blog comments will now be turned on. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to turn on blog comments on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!